That part.
What's happening to her nose?
Turning blue.
Your whole nose has gone purple.
What do you mean?
Violet, you're turning...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Chelsea, but on this channel everyone knows me as Nicole Beauty. So today we're back, and we're back with a full face. Yes, I do have on my glasses. They won't be on the whole entire video, but I'd rather talk to you guys now and then leave the outro possibly a little bit different. I don't know. So I'm back this way because, and with this little suit on, because we're going to actually do Violet from Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, or some of you guys may know Charlie in the Chocolate Factory, because that is more of the up-to-date version with Johnny Depp in it. But there was a movie called Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, just in case anyone doesn't know. But yes, so we're gonna get into that look. But I want to say a special thank you to Miss Tatianna Anesa, who was here on YouTube. I entered in her giveaway and I actually won, which I'm super excited because I never won a giveaway. But I won the matte book with the crayon case. So I will be featuring this palette in the video, and this is the perfect palette to create this Halloween look, because this is a rainbow palette. So right here goes the palette. So this is a rainbow palette, so this is perfect. Also with a few neutral colors on the side and at the bottom. So this is going to work perfect. If anybody knows Violet from Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, she does have a purple nose, and I'm going with the neutral eye look. I've seen this look created a few times, especially recently on Instagram, but I'm gonna do a neutral eye look. I'm not gonna do pinks and purples because I've been doing it. And in the movie, I believe she did not wear pinks and purples on her eyes. So again, whenever you recreate videos, you do it.
How rude. How rude.
You do what best fits you. But not only did she send me the palette as part of the giveaway, she also sent me her 2 lip formulas from her cosmetic line. So Tatianna Anesa does have her own cosmetic lines where she has lip glosses, scrubs, eyelashes, and lip balms and lip oils. And I'm hoping I'm saying it all right. After this video, I'm actually going to purchase a few, because I spend my money on other brands. And I don't know, something about her videos. I've mentioned her in one of my other videos, but I have not posted yet because I want to get these Halloween looks out. But I did mention Tatianna Anesa in another video. I just like her aura. She has a very sweet aura. I don't know her personally, but I feel like after watching her videos, I feel like I've gotten to know her through her videos, if that makes sense. One of my first videos I watched of her was back when first, like, in the quarantine, and it was, I was interested in getting the e.l.f. Paradise Retro Paradise palette, and that was when I first watched her. So this actually means a lot that she did send me part of her cosmetic lines, and I didn't even open it because I wanted to share with you guys, so I'm going to actually open it now. And it also came with a cute business card with all of her information on it. So Tatianna Anesa Cosmetics, her Instagram, I might just put her YouTube, yeah, her YouTube, her Instagram, and her webpage as well. So this is a peppermint one, which is really cute. That's in a brown tube. And this must be the coconut one, or maybe I have it mixed up, I don't know. I feel like the smell, it smells so good though. It's smelling a lot like, has a Christmas smell. So I have nothing on my lips right now. Let me wipe off whatever foundation is on my lips. Okay, so let's apply it. Oh, it has really pretty glitters. I don't know if I've seen it on the packaging. This is really pretty, and it feels so good. You guys probably can't see it on camera, but It's a nice natural lippy. Oh, I do see the little glitters in it. You guys can maybe not, I'm unsure, but it feels really good on the lips. This one on top, yeah, this one is the peppermint one, and that one might be the coconut one. But it left my lips nice and shiny. I like that. The color of this reminds me of root beer. You guys know the drink root beer. It reminds me of that. This smells really good though. They both are really nice, easy to apply on the lips. Leaves my lips nice and shiny. Seems to be moisturizing my lips well. And you need stuff like this before you put on your makeup, after you put on your makeup. You guys know I use the e.l.f. balm, and I just started using the lip oil from ColourPop. But why spend my money on these, and I can go and support a young girl who's doing her thing. She lives in New Orleans. I'm gonna have to hit you up because I plan on going there for either my 30th birthday or maybe this December for my 29th birthday. So she lives in New Orleans, and I just feel like she's humble. Like, not to say these other brands aren't humble, but I'd rather support someone who's sweet and kind and humble. And you guys go watch her videos. That'll just speak for itself. I like it. After I'm done with this video, I'm actually going to place an order because I'd rather support her, especially for lip products and eyelashes, than be supporting a lot of these other brands. So I'm into supporting. So I'm definitely going to get into this video. Everything else will be sped up. You guys will see the transformation. Disclaimer, because I know someone may say it, may notice it, whatever. These Halloween looks I'm pushing through, especially because this week is actually Halloween falls on a Saturday this year, so I want to push through all of these videos now. I still am behind a Beauty Bay review for one of the palettes I purchased from there. But about the makeup look, yes, she has a blonde wig on. I do not have a blonde wig on. I am not purchasing a blonde wig. This is for the ladies or the gentlemen that just want to have a quick Halloween look in case wherever they want to take their kids to, and they just want to look festive, and that's it. All right, so no, I'm not buying a wig. I'm not purchasing a wig. Don't look for one. I won't have one on when I take the pictures. This is just for those kind of looks. So just want to let you guys know. And yeah, let's get back to the video. Alrighty guys, so this wraps up the final look. This is really it. This was a very simple look. Again, another tutorial of things that I'm using at home, where maybe we should call these videos like mommy on a budget, because I am a mom and I am on a budget. But these rainbow palettes are always a go. These are the perfect palettes to use. To me, the holiday season, such as like Thanksgiving, Halloween, Christmas, like Valentine's Day, like with palettes like these that have all of the colors and stuff in it, and even a lot of neutral colors, these are always good to have as a part of your collections. I'm really loving these. I did go back, you guys will see a clip in the video where I did go back using this one. This actually shows up pretty sheer. I can do a quick swatch for you. Sheer, where it just had just a little tint of brown, just in case anybody's curious to know. And then this is the other one, where you definitely see the purples and stuff. I hope you guys can see it on the camera. I'm definitely going to get out of this video, purchase some more stuff, because I need some more stuff of Miss Tatianna Anesa. So Tatianna Anesa Cosmetics.com, everything will be down below. Definitely give this a purchase. And thank you again for the palette. I'm so happy. I want to give away, like, I've never won nothing in my life. I think I said that to Nutty. I'm like, girl, I ain't never won nothing in my life. So thank you again for picking me as the winner. I really appreciate it, and if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have been able to do this video. As well as, like, thank you for introducing me to your cosmetic line, like something I can definitely invest my money in. And thank you so much, guys. So until next time.
Thinking of her.